Today we are going to talk about how an IPO can actually motivate every company to have a great business. So 50% of the people who are at the level of a company where they are making good amount of profits, they don't think about going in for something like listing of their companies. And I have been a consultant and a mentor and an author, and I have been helping many business owners to get into this journey of IPO. So today we are going to understand that what are the major 3 reasons why a company should go into an IPO. Let me tell you the first reason. We had a company which was being run in a small 200 square feet bedroom, you can put it that way, and those business owners had a lot of aspirations that they wanted to go really into the public. Like I'm talking about a lot of stories which I keep hearing about Airbnb and other companies where they really wanted their company to grow and earn a lot amount of profits, and they all came with a small idea of how a house which is having a free space can be rented and can be used as revenue generation for them. So that small idea how Airbnb could really come up with a new concept, and they created that company, and today they being taking money from various private equity members, and today they are also in an aspiration to go into listing space. So for such kind of aspirational entrepreneurs where you really want to grow your business and show that you are in a position to generate a lot of value for your customers, IPO is the go-to place. The second reason what I would like to say is that if suppose a particular business owner has reached a level of certain turnover and he is already making a profitability of a 1 crore. Now, what is there that he can grow his business more? Now, you really should not be stagnant as a stagnant water in a lake. You always have to be a river which keeps on flowing, and you really grow and make a lot of value to others. So this is an opportunity for you where you really can create a lot of value for your customers and also at the same time get the money for creating that value. So the third point which I would like to make here is that for an IPO, the money which comes is considered as a growth capital. You can invest in your R&D, that is research and development, where you really can create a lot of more such kind of products which you can create and also satisfy your customers, and rather create multiple products for your company so that you can market it well and you really can create a lot of value for them. The second reason what I would say when you're talking about the IPO is that you really have this capital for your working capital, your employees to grow, because obviously without a team a company cannot grow. So you really can create a lot of value for your employees by giving ESOP to them, by giving the shares of your company, and they become a partner to your company rather than remain an employee. So that ESOP is also going to help them to see their dream, their legacy being created along with you. The most important part is most of the business owners, they really have reached a particular level of turnover and then they are satisfied and complacent. What about the company after them? Like once their death, what is that the company is going to do? What about the hard-earned efforts which that entrepreneur has put in? And what about that? Where is the future? So if you look at the future, if we as human beings do not have that kind of enduring thing to do, if I create a company and I am listing it in the stock exchanges, I will be creating a legacy. If I'm there, I'm not there, the company is going to remain and it is constantly going to create a lot of value for its own customers. So the constant growth by investing money in the customer value services will create a legacy, and tomorrow people will remember me like a Mukesh Ambani or an Adani, so that I will also be in that space and everyone will remember me as an entrepreneur who has thought about value for his customers. So do connect with me, and for knowing more, I would like to share my phone number with you so that you can talk to us and we can discuss about how we can get you into your IPO journey. Thank you.